Are you ready for a pretty toasty week? Let's find out where it's going to be hottest and when, and also if we're going to stay completely dry. Now, before you go banding around the term heatwave willy-nilly, remember the Met Office have a very strict definition. You have to have 3 days of a certain temperature in order for it officially to be classed as a heatwave. In this dark red colour here, that's where the temperatures need to be 28 degrees. In the bright reds, that's where it needs to be 27 degrees at least. In the kind of murky pink here, we're looking at 26, and elsewhere is 25. And you have to have 3 consecutive days of temperatures over these values in order to be officially classed as a heatwave. And for some of us, it's been a pretty heatwave-tastic kind of year. Elsewhere, not so much. So we've got the white colours here, that's where there hasn't been a heatwave at all so far this year. The blues, that's where we've seen 1 heatwave. The oranges, that's 2. And the kind of greeny colour, that's 3 heatwaves. So by the time we get to the end of this week, some places could have seen 4 heatwaves so far this year. Now, as well as seeing some heat, there's also the chance of seeing some thunderstorms because we've got the remains of an old tropical storm that are gradually working their way across us. It's not going to bring us anything too exciting, but it could give a little bit of energy to the atmosphere and give us a few showers or thunderstorms. So don't forget to like and subscribe as we take a look at this week's weather in a bit more detail, starting with Tuesday. And on Tuesday morning, if there's still a few showers around in the south, those should clear away. And for most of us, there will be plenty of warm sunshine. In the far north, there's more wet weather here, but that should gradually pull away further northwards still as we head through the day. Elsewhere, a few showers perhaps, but look at the temperatures. These are the temperatures in the cities, but the temperature map shows where we're expecting the hottest weather, and we could see a temperature as high as around 33 degrees by the end of the day. Then during Tuesday afternoon, we'll see a few more showers begin to develop, most of those in the northern parts of England, perhaps over parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland. Elsewhere, largely staying dry and very warm. Then Wednesday should start quite promisingly for most of us. A bit more cloud out towards the west, but certainly quite warm. And the temperatures again rising during the day. And these are the temperatures again in the cities. If we take a look at the temperature chart, we can see that the hottest weather is expected to be in the east. And that's where we could see somewhere get to around 32 degrees. So temperatures fairly similar really to Tuesday. During Wednesday afternoon, there's a chance of seeing a few showers bubble up here and there, but many of us will see a dry end to the day. There will be more showers, I think, over parts of Ireland and perhaps just in the far south as we head towards evening. Then on Thursday looks a little bit more lively. More clouds bubbling up and a few more showers. Some of those showers could be rather heavy and bring us the odd rumble of thunder. They'll all be working their way eastwards during the day, and the temperatures will be pegged back a little bit as well. So not quite as high as the temperatures we saw at the beginning of the week. I think by Thursday we're looking at a top temperature of around 29 degrees. Thursday afternoon will also be rather unsettled for some of us with some heavy showers around. Those will gradually be pushing their way eastwards and things should dry up as we head towards evening. Then for Friday looks like a far quieter day, just 1 or 2 showers perhaps, but many of us getting away with a dry day and a temperature similar to Thursday. So hot at the beginning of the week then, easing off as we head into Thursday and Friday, but there's a chance that the hot weather could return as we head into the weekend.